Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 88, The French Dressing Revolution.
Hey, what happened over here? My beautiful beastly buildings. Who could have done such a thing?
Hey Chief, let's have Dogman and Zulu destroy some more buildings.
Okay. Alright, fellas. Those four goody-goodies have defeated half of our army.
Gobba gabba, gobba gabba.
Let's get some revenge.
Gobba gabba. Whoops!
And watch where you're stepping this time.
Oh no! Dogman and Zulu just ran out of salad dressing. But that's not the worst of their problems.
Look out, Dogman and Zulu!
It looked like this was the end. But then... what was that?
Beats me.
Oh well, at least Dogman and Zuzu are safe.
They're not safe. They're falling. Who will save them? I'll save them with ADHD power.
I can't bear to look!
Me neither. What will we ever do without them?
Lickorama. Clip it. Don't lick it. Ready? He takes a licking and keeps on ticking. It was a happy reunion, but it didn't last long.
Gobba gabba, gobba gabba, gobba gabba.